The Quest Manager is not a SMOB, but it is required in order for the Quest system to work properly. Under the user prefs, we have an option that says Toggle Quest Log Key. This determines what keyboard key will open up the quest log when pressed. So if I click this drop down list, you can see we have a lot of options. At the very bottom is a little tiny black arrow. If you click that, you can scroll downward. And at the very top is a little black arrow. If you click that, it will scroll upward. Next we have the Do Not Edit section. If anything here gets changed or is missing, then your Quest Manager is not going to work properly, which means your Quest system isn't going to work properly. So make sure you don't edit anything in this Do Not Edit section unless you know what you're doing. Now, just in case something actually gets messed up or missing, I'm going to click on each field so that you can see where that object is located so that you can drag it back into that field. I'll start with the button prefab. When I click it, you'll see it highlights exactly the object. So it's in the questing folder, and right there is the quest button. So we could take that and drag it and drop it right into that field. Next we have the action button prefab, the toggle tracking prefab, and the rest of these are going to be part of our actual Quest Manager game object. So as I click them, it will highlight in the hierarchy exactly where in this game object that item is. So there is the quest log panel, the objectives panel, the quest dialog panel, and the direction panel. Next we have some more items that are a little bit further into the hierarchy. So let's go ahead and go through those. We have the quest list items transform, the button panel transform, the quest info, and the arrow. Then we have the quest title. So these are text objects. We have the quest info, the objectives list, and the distance check. Let me scroll down and click that again so you can see it right there. So if that field is missing, you come over here, grab that item, and drag it and drop it right back into that field. Alright, the next section is the Quest Progress Management section, and you can see it says Use Caution. If you place your cursor over the Hover Me text, you'll see some important information. The delete button will delete the current saved game file which stores quest progress. So use with caution. So if you're testing your game out and you're going through your quests and you want to reset those quests, then you want to click this button underneath that says delete saved game data. Delete saved game data. So just know that when you click that button, it's going to delete that file that's on your device, whether it's computer or whatever it is. It will delete that file, and that file has the stored quest data.